Okay, you guys, good morning, good evening. Today we are at Wednesday, 24th. And first of all, I wanted to share with you guys the official channel because I divided the information in Spanish and English. So this channel that you're looking at now is the English version, but then you're going to find tons of English information also in this channel, which is what my training, which is, like I said, the official one, and is a playlist of the book, which I explain the chapters of the book, which you can find it on my website on the digital version. And over there, you're gonna see also videos translated in English. Okay, so if you need more information about scalping, price action, and everything related to the strategy that I use, is everything here. Okay, so for those that don't know me, my name is Karina Fabi. I've been trading since 2006, and my main strategy is only using price action. I do not use indicators or anything that is going to give me information based on algorithms. I use activity of the market, buy prices, sell prices, and that's all you got. All right, so I'm gonna go to the markets now. We have the FOMC today, and that is gonna happen at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So pay attention to the FOMC today. All right, so we're about to get into the US market opening hours, and we got to short the euro dollar on the European market today because of PMI information, and also we had inflation of the UK, which it got all the sales. So we're done on the sellers for the pound dollar, and we're now trying to get to 124 before we buy. So the day opened for sellers. Okay, so nobody is into the pound today. But if we get the confirmation about the 124, it's gonna go up to 124.10. And once we get the price above it and confirmed above the 24.10, we're gonna buy again up to 24.20, possibly 24.30. I'm gonna avoid the sellers. Like I said, we already got the sellers done, so that's it. No more short on the pound, at least on these lows. And of course, in price action is a very basic rule. And if the price goes down, you want to short. If the price goes up, you want to buy. But thing is, what rules the day is the opening hours. And like I said, today opens for sellers for the pound dollar. So we must be very patient before we buy. Even if it goes towards the 24, we need that confirmation. Now, if it goes down to 23.60, of course, we want to short the pound dollar down to 123.50 level. So we're considering possibly that sell situation, but not here, not yet, only through the 23.60. So what you want to do is that you want to consider the 23.60 to short, the target is 23.50, and then you stop there because that's a very important buy possible situation on the pound. And then we wait. Okay, so it might go down to the extension of 23.40, but you must consider that the pound, it might turn around any time now. That's very important. Euro dollar, same situation. We are done on the sellers. We got to short here for the euro dollar. And now we're waiting on the buyers, but we need the confirmation about the 107.80. Otherwise, we ain't gonna buy. Okay, so the closest we get to 108, the better for the buyer. If not, we're gonna short at 107.40 down to 107.30, below 107.20 down to 107.10. Possibly the market is down for the sellers. So we might consider buyers, but like I said, what rules is the opening, and the opening was for the seller. So we must be very patient before we buy on the euro because the buyers might not come today. But the lowest of the price on the euro is almost done. So they might come today, they might come tomorrow. Just be careful on hanging on the sale transactions opened on the intraday basis because the buyers are coming. Okay. Dollar Canadian, we're waiting on the seller. We're gonna start shorting here below 135.40 down to 135.33, and then 135.30 down to 135.20 for dollar Canadian. So Also, you know, the buyers are possibly done on the Canadian, so we want to short below 135.50. Like I said, by 10 pips, that's the scalping that I recommend. And we might go all the way down to 135.10 today for dollar Canadian, but I have to wait for the US to see how they open. Commodities, gold and silver. I have gold here and it's into buyers. Possibly it's going to go for the 1983 and 1984. And as you can see, the market is showing us that they are into highs here. So we possibly it's going to go down. I have to really wait on this one. I can't really assume anything yet. Looks like below 1980, we're going to have sales strategies, and looks like if it goes to 1984, we're still going to have sellers. So we have to pay attention to gold. If it gets above 1985, it's going to go again for 1990 and possibly $2,000. All right, so this one we have to be very careful. It looks very mixed in the area as we speak. Okay, so I'll give you this information. If you want to trade live with me, you can do so. I run a live training sessions and also signals and the chat that I use for all my traders. So if you want to join me, you can do it from my website. Remember that you can find it on the plans on the website. You go to watchmytraining.com and over there you're going to find plans on the site, and then you have the option of the membership right here, the free plan right here, membership over here. You can contact me for more questions. All right, guys, so good luck today and hope to see you on my live trading sessions anytime soon. Bye bye.